Sharid bin Suaid radiallahu anhu reported the
Again,
messenger.
the Sharid said?
Sharid, yeah,
Sharid,
there's
correct.
a Sharid bin Suaid radiallahu anhu reported, Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by me when I was sitting with my left hand behind my back and leaning on my palm. On seeing me in this posture, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do you sit like those upon whom the wrath of Allah has descended?" Abu Dawud.
Right. So again here, hadith tells us that we have to enjoin good and forbid evil. The Prophet ﷺ, just like he passed by that person who was sleeping on his belly, remember with his foot, told him to sit. And he said, this is a way of sitting that Allah doesn't like it. He hates it, makes him angry. Don't sit, don't sleep on your belly, don't sit on your belly. This one is another one, which is, there's two elements here. Left hand with the elia. So it has left hand with the, this is the elia, means the palm. The elia starts from here, the end of this thumb. So that's the area. Okay? And second issue is at the back. So when these two things happen, that's a sitting which is not allowed. This is the sitting, as the Prophet ﷺ, he said, that sitting of those people who are having the anger upon them. That means the people of hellfire. So if you have sat, or if you are closing your hand as a fist, and I've seen a scholar doing this, no problem. Okay, so the one that it's not allowed is this, and on your left. If you did it with two fists, the back, no problem. If you did it with your open hands, two hands together, it's a problem, because you still, that there is there. So even if you added something to it, it doesn't make a difference. So if this is open and you're leaning on it and it's your back, it's not right. Now, do you lean in the front on it? I don't think people, it's not really, I would say a person would lean on something like this. Okay, but you know, some people, they do push-ups. We're not going to prevent them from push-ups, you know, the 10 push-ups and all of that. No problem. So he does not lean on it. This is, you lean like this. So I said, yeah, behind you, and it's on this. This is what is not allowed. Also, so this is a benefit that we benefit from the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ regarding the sitting. طيب, Ikhwani, this is a distinguishing way of this ummah. Prophet of Allah, he distinguished us in the way we eat, in the way we dress up, in the way we sit, in the way he distinguished us, the way we look, the way we eat, and the way we sit. So the clothes, the food, they enter the house, sitting down, we have to be distinguished ummah. Prophet ﷺ distinguished us. But even the way we sleep,